guys in jail?
We're not in jail, we're in Longsight.
Wow.
So we are in Longsight, Manchester. I've come up to see Brother Shahbaz. He is campaigning for the elections to be councillor for Longsight, May the 2nd. Everybody get your votes. And I'm actually shocked at what you're showing me here today.
So when I was young, we used to enjoy the streets, back of the streets, we used to play. The opportunity that we're giving the next generation is this. This is the environment that we have gave them, and this is the environment that they are living in. It is just unacceptable, and there needs to be a change.
Yeah.